Hello, well, another video now about flaps and a function called delay, which actually will do is when you apply, I will apply flaps here on this potentiometer, and even if you go from 0 to 100, it will open the flaps slowly as as it happens on the real planes, and there is a functional reason for that, because when you are flying, you don't want the flaps to engage just like this, because it will affect the flight behavior quite drastically, and then you have to compensate quite fast for these fast engagement of the flaps. So it's not just a cosmetic thing to be just like the real ones. It is actually functional, all right? But this function can also be applied for landing gear deployment, for some edge to open or something else. I just talk about the flaps because it's the function where I'm using the delay right now. So let's go over it. Models and not here. On the inputs, I already have the flaps here. We can see I just have it, I have given a name there, flaps, and the source in my radio, it's this potentiometer here, and I've called this potentiometer on the radio settings as flap, FLP for flaps, and as I move you see that it moves. Alright, so nothing more to do in this section, just to give it a name and to call the source for this channel, which in my case is this one. You can apply eventually these ones here on the side, whatever you decide. Okay, so let's go back one notch and let's go forward another one. I will create the flap on channel 5. Okay, so mix name, let me just introduce this very quickly. Okay, I will correct this afterwards. All right, the source, it's the input flaps. All right, everything it's okay, and this is where where we can slow it down when it goes up and when it goes down. We can actually have two different speeds when it engages in this direction or in this direction. I usually put it at the same speed. Okay, so we can leave everything as it is and go straight into here. And in my experience, seeing the airplane behavior, I usually put this value on 6 seconds, which means that it will take 6 seconds to go from the 0 flaps position to all the flaps engaged. So let's scroll it up. You can eventually find another value is best suitable for you. In my case, as I've said, 6 seconds is great. It gives me the right smoothness of the flap engagement without taking too long to move for the position I want. So that's pretty much it. It's done. Now we can go here, long press to monitors, and let's check on the channel 5. Oh, sorry, on the channel 5 how fast it engages. Okay, so just for you, I will try to engage to move it to the maximum position now. It is there. Alright, you see how much time it takes? That's the flaps with delay. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Cheers.